Lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jen, and I'm gonna take you grocery shopping with me. I quit my job today, and I really don't know how to feel about it, or what I'm doing with my life. I just feel like I really needed to do this, and that I wasn't happy, I wasn't growing. If you're comfortable, you're not growing, and I wasn't necessarily comfortable because I didn't love my job. I didn't hate it, but it's just not making me happy and not something I want to do. So yeah, no job, no money, but we need groceries, so let's go find some stuff. I'm really hoping to keep working on this and continue to grow with my channel and everything, so let's just see what happens. I'm just so excited to be creating and everything, so yeah, follow along and let's go get some groceries. Okay, so heading back home. So I quit my job. I was working as a special education paraprofessional. So it's basically like a classroom aide, but we work specifically with special needs students that need one-on-one support. There are different types of special needs students, of course, but the program that I worked in was what Colorado calls SSN, which is significant support needs. The kids I worked with were, more, not severe, but I guess that's the easiest way to explain it if you don't know a ton about special needs. So some special needs kids might be able to still be in the general education classroom on their own and just need a little bit of extra support. They might just be like ADHD, mild autism, stuff like that. The kids that I worked with are the more like nonverbal, severe autism or Down syndrome, other like medical conditions. I know last year they had a blind student, so it's more those students that need that one-on-one support, and also they do different tasks throughout the day. So rather than doing the same math that their class is doing, they're doing ones that are more at their level and tailored to their abilities. We of course would still work in the general education classroom, and we would still do different projects with the students, with their classmates and their general education teacher. But we also had times where they would go with the special education teacher and work on literature, English, writing, stuff like that, as well as math, but like tailored to them. I loved it, but I hated it. The kids were adorable, so sweet. Most of them were nonverbal or very limitedly verbal, and they were just absolute sweethearts, but it was incredibly stressful and a very difficult job. It's really hard when you're working one-on-one with a student, and if you have multiple students in that same grade, which we did, we had a few kids in second grade, a couple kids in fourth, a couple in fifth. So sometimes you would have another para with you, and then other times you would be on your own and have 3 students that you're doing their different tasks on, and it's pretty hard. It's not the easiest job. It was definitely fun, but I've been going through some health issues. Been getting over pneumonia. I had a sinus infection, then it led to pneumonia, and I've finally been feeling better. And I'm also working towards having weight loss surgery, so it's been a little crazy, and just being sick, and I love the kids and I really enjoyed the job, but it just isn't what I see myself doing forever. And it's one of those things, kind of like what's her name, like Marie Kondo with items. It's like, if it's not bringing you joy, let it go. And I know you need a job, you need to pay your bills, you need to do stuff, but at the same time, like, if you're not happy and you're not growing and you don't see yourself doing this job long term, there's no point. And like, these kids need someone that's going to be there present mentally and physically. Like, if I'm going to have surgery in a couple months and I've been sick a lot, like, it's just not great for the kids. And I want to do more. I want to do this. This is what I'm passionate about. It's what I love. Even though I haven't done it in forever, I feel like I was just kind of a chicken about it, and I'm ready to just really invest my time and effort and energy in myself and growing and being a good person. And yeah, here's everything I got at Dollar Tree. Got some garlic bread, a couple different skillet meals to try. I've never had the Hungry Jack ones. Some spaghetti, pizza sauce, some milk, just shelf stable, and I love it. Cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, a little cake pan, 2 of these little pizza crusts. Pretty good. Pretty intense garlicky, but it's good.
What you're up to? Oh, great. Faster way to tell people I'm unemployed and childless.
Okay, so wanted to finish what I was talking about before while I just fold some laundry. So, long story short, working with special ed kids is very challenging, very rewarding, but just not for me. I love the teachers I worked with, and obviously the students were great most of the time. I mean, of course, they had their challenging moments that were really frustrating and difficult, and that's a contributing factor as to why I decided to leave. It is definitely something to look into if you like working with kids. So I don't really know what I'm going to do in the meantime, so I don't really know what I plan on doing. I'm applying and looking at other options, but right now I'm just kind of doing this. I'm just gonna be myself and have fun and just document my life. Like I said, I'm hoping to have weight loss surgery here soon. I'm gonna do a whole video on that, kind of reasons why and how long I've been thinking about this, which has been forever practically. Yeah, so if you have any questions about that, drop that down below and I will try to answer that soon. I was just laying here editing my video and realized I never filmed an outro. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around with me in this little day in the life of quitting my job, going grocery shopping, making dinner, and doing some laundry. I have a few different ideas and different videos planned out and kind of working on a few. So let me know what you want to see though, and I'll definitely work on that. Anything you'd like me to try or do, or just something you want to see from me, let me know and I will definitely work on that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know what you'd like to see from me next. Love you guys.